When you're ready for gorgeous new countertops or special stone installations, Kitchen Mart makes the process easy. Kitchen Mart offers you solid surface, marble, granite, breathtaking Cambria quartz, silestone, and Corian quartz. As your full-service remodeling company, we offer everything you need to make the process simple and straightforward. This includes removal and haul away, laser templating, fabrication and installation of your beautiful new countertops, installation of your new custom tile or stone backsplash, and finally, appliance installation and hookup. Kitchen Mart uses the most modern fabrication techniques and equipment. All surfaces are digitally measured and CNC fabricated, ensuring your countertop, shower walls, fireplace surrounds, or special spaces are perfect. Your quality installation begins with preparation and accurate measuring. First, a Kitchen Mart technician will expertly laser template your space, guaranteeing a precise fit. Next, a custom blueprint of your quartz or stone slab is created. Careful attention is given to the overall layout of your design and any natural patterning of your slab. With your custom blueprint, exact cutouts will be made of your sink and cooktop. Finally, with special care, your slab receives the edge detail you selected. Now, after finish polishing, your beautiful countertops, shower walls, or fireplace surround are ready for installation. Schedule your free in-home consultation today by visiting kitchenmart.net or call us at 916-362-7080.
No one does it better than kitchenmart.net.